Guess where I'm coming from? I got my laptop repaired from a wonderful service center, and I love it because I can finally complete my projects and my assignments on time now. None other than this service center was helping me out. Every other service center was like, you know what, you have to keep it for 5 days, you have to keep it for 3 days, you cannot do it in a day or less than that. They were just like that. They were not helping me out or giving me any hope that, you know what, my laptop will get prepared or repaired in less than a day or something like that. But I got it. I got it repaired in less than a day from Stallion Laptop Service Center. I just loved their work. Look, my HP laptop is 7 years older, okay? And from last couple of months, I was unable to do any study on it because it was extremely and awfully slow. And I had no idea that what will I do, because I was unable to make any projects on it. I was unable to make any assignments on it. So I started checking out for service centers near my home, but it wasn't happening. Funny thing, I moved into the city like couple of months ago, so I have no idea where good service centers are, but I got to know about this today morning itself. And I went there and I told them that this is the issue going on with my laptop, what you can do. And you know what? By my surprise, they were like, don't worry, we're gonna take care of it. It's just a small upgradation that you have to do, and it will not take more than a day or something like that. And I was so surprised because every other service center was telling me that it will take more than 5 days or something just to make it repaired. How am I gonna do my projects or something like that? So the team at Stallion, they advised me that I have to upgrade the laptop from HDD to an SSD to boost the performance. And I was like, you know what, you're the experts, you know everything, so please do it. I give you my laptop, please make it well. And they did the upgradation right in front of my eyes. Talk about transparency and being transparent to your customers. This transparency, that builds the trust, that builds the belief system in your customer. That's where you win. And I loved it. The staff was so friendly. They were answering all of my stupid questions. I am shameless about asking even the silliest of questions if I have it in my mind. And they were answering me without any hesitation. So once the upgrade was complete, the change was like day and night. From a sluggish slughorn to a lightning fast stallion. Just like the name, they made my laptop a lightning fast horse. The cost of the upgradation was so nominal, so reasonable that a student can afford it. Literally, us students, we have tons of expenses and we have no income, and some have income. In my case, I do have income, but not that much. I have to pay for my home rent as well because I'm not living in my hometown. I'm living in somewhere else because of the college and everything. So even I can afford it. So you can understand that how reasonable their upgradation prices are. They have very nominal fees. And I believe that Stallion's commitment to customer satisfaction and their hands-on approach sets them apart. I wholeheartedly recommend Stallion to anyone who is going through any laptop mishaps, because Stallion Laptop Service Center is the one you're looking for, and they are not gonna disappoint you in any way. Instead, they're gonna make you happy and jolly just like me, because I'm gonna complete my projects right now. Thank you so much, Stallion, for this wonderful upgradation, and to all the team who helped me, who answered my questions, who made everything transparent, who kept everything transparent, and who knows how important it is for a student to have their laptop with them while they're studying. So I am so grateful that I found you, and thank you so much for being there. Thank you for all the work that you did on my laptop. Thank you so much.